crunchy, crispy and fragrant Southeast Asian Chinese sausage rolls. This is my version of Loh Bak.
Hey folks, welcome back to another episode of Wok Wednesdays. It's Cher here at School of Wok, London's premier Asian cooking school. We are going to be making some Chinese sausage rolls, otherwise known as Loh Bak. Let me just get going with what you need. So we have got some really nice fatty pork mince here. It's about 250 grams, and then it's just going to go into this big bowl and we're just going to mix everything up. I have got a mixture of two different ways that I prepped my prawns. One I just kind of roughly chopped up, and the other one here I've got some sort of pureed prawns. So those go in. They just provide a little bit of stickiness, so that really kind of helps to bind everything together. Next up, we also have some chopped up garlic. Couple of cloves of garlic in there and about 5 shallots. Next up, some water chestnuts, which have been chopped up. The water chestnuts just kind of give it a little bit of that crunch. So that's pretty much all of your fresh ingredients. And next up, we're just gonna have to season it up as well. So here I've got some oyster sauce. I like to put in a little bit of sneaky chicken powder, because we all know that's a lot more savory. Can't forget your 5 spice, okay? So that's your ngohyang, your wuxiang, tiny bit of sugar to go in. And of course, because we've got the sugar in there, we're gonna balance that off with a little bit of salt as well. And finally, just to kind of help everything bind together, I've got some tapioca starch as well to go in. And then all that's left really is to just kind of go in with your hand and just give it a really good mix. Job done. We are going to be working with some bean curd skin, so this literally is how it kind of looks like. And that's what we're going to wrap our Loh Bak in. You do need to cut them up. It doesn't really matter what shape they are, because the idea is to roll them up into kind of squares or rectangles. So you just have to kind of work with whatever shape you've got. You do need to wipe these down with a little bit of a damp cloth or tea towel, because the damp tea towel is just going to help to kind of get away a little bit of that salt, because it's quite salty. Alrighty, and then next up we're just going to have to fill her up. So here I'm just going to put big dollops of the filling. How big or how small you want your sausage or your Loh Bak to be, entirely up to you. That's kind of what I'm looking for, kind of like a long shape horizontally. Next up, got some little bit of cornstarch that I've just mixed with a bit of water, and I'm just going to dab around the edges. I usually just go in from the sides just to kind of lock everything in, and then from here just rolling away from me upwards, and then just kind of tucking that end in. Now this is really important. You want to be able to make sure that you do tuck it in well, that there are no kind of big air pockets in there, because this is going to get deep fried. So you want to make sure you have a nice firm sausage. Okay, so just roll it all the way up to the end there and finish that roll, and then you just simply let this sausage roll sit on the end here so it doesn't kind of unfurl, if you know what I mean. And that is literally your one sausage Loh Bak done. I've got some oil heating up in this wok. Easy way to check. You're looking for some bubbling to kind of come up within about 2 to 3 seconds. The reason for it is we don't want the actual oil to be too hot. With that open seam that you've got, just slide that down like that. And we're just going to leave them to kind of fry for like a few seconds. Don't worry if things start to open up or unfurl. It is not going to completely open up. Don't worry about it. Let it just chill for like a few seconds. Don't touch it, don't try to move it. Just kind of let that cook and let that set for a bit. So the outside of the bean curd skin's actually firmed up a little bit, so I'm able to kind of move it. Alrighty, so these look kind of ready. They only take about a few minutes, about 5 minutes or so, again depending on how many you've got in there. A really good way of telling is once the bubbles have pretty much dissipated from the rolls, then you pretty much can get them out there, because that means that a lot of that water from the fillings actually come out of the filling. We're just gonna let them drain a little bit, get rid of any excess oil before we cut into them. Let's go for it. Oh, this is like meaty, you know? If you enjoyed this video, do hit the subscribe button, like or comment. And until the next time, happy walking. I always struggle with this. I don't know why, but there is something in my brain that just does not like this.